Hi, my name is Kendall Taman, and I'm going to be talking to you about permaculture, the basic principles, and the distinction of permaculture from traditional organic gardening. Just to start off, permaculture is more of a lifestyle that practices ethical principles and practices so that you can have a more sustainable lifestyle. The founding fathers are Professor Bill Mollison and his student at the time, David Holmgren. So its root of permaculture is you're utilizing the resources you have around you to their fullest potential, but it's not just talking about agriculture, it's also talking about your lifestyle as well, like how you use your energy and how you get rid of your waste. So the objective of this poster is to assess the 12 principles of permaculture and the basic practices and ideologies from other people who have studied permaculture to differentiate between permaculture and traditional organic gardening. So pulling from one of the principles is you're designing a pattern that goes into the details of your life. So you're designing a sort of ecosystem that you can live off of that take into account your living as well as your eating habits, and you're tending to those principles daily. So pulling off of what we've learned in class, we know that organic gardening uses natural fertilizers by using the natural carbon cycle. However, when you pull and cultivate all of those crops and ship them off, you're letting a lot of the minerals lost and you're taking a lot of energy. And in permaculture, you're living where your food is being produced and you're only pulling from things daily. So you're not cultivating everything and you're not getting rid of energy when you're shipping it off. So in conclusion, permaculture uses organic gardening practices, but it also goes beyond that. It is a lifestyle and it is an ecosystem rather than just an organic gardening methods. And it benefits the earth, but also it doesn't take into account it isn't necessarily realistic on a larger scale for how people live in their everyday lives. Thank you.